Today I'm going to be talking about the Wuben X4. This was sent to me and I'm going to give you my honest thoughts on this flashlight. Wuben got a hold of me and asked me if I wanted to do a video on the Wuben X4. And I said, yeah, sure. They were gracious enough to send it me. And I did say I was just going to do an honest review, and they were totally fine with it. This was sent to me for free, and I'm going to give you guys my honest thoughts on this flashlight. So first off, we're going to talk about my first impressions about this. When I first got this, I thought this was a unique flashlight in terms of the aesthetics and the shape of it. It's got that industrial look to it. It's sleek. It's made out of metal and it's got that dull gray finish to it. And actually, it reminds me of my Jet Flick. When I first opened it up, oh wow, it looks exactly like my Jet Flick. The size of my hands, it feels pretty good in my hands. There's nothing poking. When I was holding it, I easily found all the buttons and I had no problems with that. And we talked about the build quality. Build quality I found is good, really good actually. There's nothing that feels cheap on this flashlight. The pocket clip, it's secure, it's stiff. I had no issues with that. And what I think of this flashlight, who is for, it's definitely for the EDC person, but somebody like that wants a little bit of that it factor when it comes to a flashlight. I heard a lot of people say this is like a gadget flashlight, but it's not really a gadget. That's my first impressions about this. The form factor and carry out, when I was just testing this out, it does have that flat design to it, which I didn't know what to think of it. When I was using it, I found that it was really great, especially when I had it in my pocket. When I put it in my pocket, I didn't feel it at all. The pocket clip is great. It is detachable if you want to take it off, but it does have that indent. Once it goes in the pocket, it stays in there. Let's talk about the weight. The weight is noticeable. That's because of the metal. With the battery inside, this weighs 141 grams. You definitely do feel the flashlight. But that being said, it doesn't feel cheap. Nothing on here feels cheap. When it comes to comfortably sitting down, because it's flat, that's why I appreciate the flatness of it rather than normal flashlights. That's really great. Compared to the typical EDC flashlight lights, some of the flashlights, like the typical cylinder flashlights, you would typically wear it on the outside if it's big enough. But this one right here, even the size of it, putting in your pockets, there's no issues whatsoever. Next up, let's talk about the output in the beam. The Wuben X4, the maximum lumens is 1500. The maximum distance on this is going to be 205 meters. That is on the main light too. For real world use, walking at night, if you need to find something quick, you can just pull this out of your pocket. I used it around the house. I did find I used this more because I just stuck it in my pocket and I forgot about it too. What I appreciate is Wuben had an intensity to each light, but you can also adjust it. Let's talk about the battery and charging. This is a rechargeable battery. It does have a locking door. So right on the side here, you can unlock it, push down, and you can take out the battery if you need to change it out too. Underneath the main sliding button right here, if you pull it all the way to the top, there's the USB-C connection that you can charge the battery. You can get a second rechargeable battery, so you can have two of them. All right, let's talk about the controls of this flashlight. Let's talk about the button layout. There is 4 sections on here. There's a lock, there's side light, main light, and then there's moonlight. Right now it's on lock, so if I go ahead and put it on to the side light, I can use this portion right here. So basically this one right here is going to be the RGB light. For the side light, the way to turn that on is press the top button right here to turn on the side light. I can change the intensity by turning that wheel on the top there to low or high. If I hold down the button, it goes into the glow stick mode or the RGB. If I use the wheel again, I can change to different colors. We have green, orange, red, blue, green. If I go ahead and double tap, it'll go into signal mode. That is for the side light. We're going to talk about the main light. If I slide this up and turn this on, we have our main lights. I can change the intensity on that. If I slide it all the way up and turn it on, that is my moonbeam. So if I need it, I can put this on moonbeam. If I use the wheel, it doesn't change the intensity. So yeah, that is for those buttons. And there's one more button. So there is a button on here that you can turn this on, and that just gives us that quick turbo mode. If I go ahead and double tap, it actually goes into this strobe. Finally, I kind of want to talk about the learning curve. It took me a little while to figure this out, especially the side lights and the RGB lights. It took me a while. I didn't really read the instructions, but you definitely probably want to look at the instructions if you do purchase this to properly use those lights too. Let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros, it's a very unique design. It's compact. I was using it more than any other flashlight because I stuck it in my pocket and forgot about it too. It does have that matte gray finish and it's full metal and the build quality is excellent. Kudos to Wuben about the construction. So let's talk about some of the cons. Because the pros of it being metal is good, but maybe the cons of it being metal is, so if I put this on for a while, the heat would transfer into the metal too. Not a big deal, but maybe it gives you a little bit of indication, yeah, you might want to turn this off too. Just be prepared. If you do use the flashlight for a little bit, you will start feeling that heat onto the metal too. Secondly, I didn't know what to think of this whole light system. I didn't use it as much when I was testing it out too. I really use it? No. Could Wuben got away from not having this? I guess so. I personally probably would just use the main light system. I get what they were trying to do. There is definitely a learning curve when using the side lights too. I would trade off a heavier flashlight for the build quality than a lighter light. Some people might think it's a con. I didn't really think so, but I wanted to bring that to the attention too. That is it for my impression on the Wuben X4, and I'm going to have my final thoughts. So that is it for my Wuben X4 video. After carrying this Wuben X4 flashlight, here's a bottom line. It's not your typical flashlight, but that's exactly why it works. If you want something compact, different, and suitable for everyday situations, this thing punches way above its size. But I want to know what you think. Would you carry something like this, or are you sticking with a traditional flashlight? Drop your thoughts below, and if you're building out your EDC setup, make sure you check out the rest of the gear I run. All right, that is it, and I'll see you next time.